Ginger beef is a staple dish at any Chinese takeout. Whether it's your local mom and pop shop or a chain like Panda Express, here's how to make it at home. For the sauce, you will need soy sauce, sesame oil, water, sake, mirin, cornstarch slurry, crushed garlic, and grated ginger. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil to a medium pot. Sauté 2 tablespoons crushed garlic on low heat. Add 2 tablespoons grated ginger and continue to sauté for 30 seconds. Next, add in a 1/4 cup mirin, a 1/4 cup sake or cooking wine, 1/2 cup soy sauce, and 1 cup warm water. Bring it to a boil and add in a 1/4 cup cornstarch slurry. Simmer for 30 to 45 seconds while stirring to prevent lumps. Once your sauce is able to stick to the back of a spoon, transfer it to a bowl to cool down. Now, for the beef, we have 500 grams eye of round, which is a cheaper cut, perfect for ginger beef. Slice the beef into long strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Make sure you are cutting against the grain of the meat. This shortens the muscle fibers, resulting in a more tender and easier to chew dish. Grab a bowl and transfer your strips into it. For the marinade, add 2 teaspoons white pepper, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, and a 1/4 cup of ginger sauce that we just made. Massage the marinade into your meat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Time to set up our dredging station. Add 400 grams cornstarch into a tray or bowl, and that's it. Take your beef strips and coat them in cornstarch. Give it a good press to ensure it's all getting covered. To prevent clumping or tearing, I'll do these in small batches. Now that everything's coated, let's get to frying. Have your oil at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and add in your strips. We will cook these for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, drain on paper towel. In a large bowl, add in some beef strips, About 250 grams is a serving. Next, add in 3 to 5 tablespoons of sauce and give it a toss. A little sesame seeds for extra flavor. And top it with green onions. And there you have it, restaurant style ginger beef at home. If you're looking for something else to go with this, try out this sweet and sour chicken ball recipe. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.